Right, this is the BDC program we have done. What we did is we use the recording SSTB. Then through the recording, we have done for MM01 recording. And this recording will generate ABAP program. This is ABAP program. Right, this is the flow. To the ABAP program, data will you can get it from the Notepad, the Notepad or Excel file. Pass the data from here to here. Okay, this is the flow. Hello. So this is what we have done. This is one method. Other one is you can use the call transaction method. This is a call transaction. In this method, data will not go to any session. Direct data will go and update into database tables. This is the flow. So I think already I gave this flow in our group, right? Let me check. We go to here. Okay, this is the program we have done last class here. This is the BDC program. So this will create a materials through either session method or call transaction method. If I execute here, If I choose here session method, click on execute. With this session, it will create through SM35. Go to SM35. Right. Choose the session name. Now it is done this step. This flow done. Data came from notepad to program, program to session. Now we are passing the session to the screen to database tables. Through this, click on process. Now data is going to screen here. Now data is transferring from the notepad to screens. Done. Enter. One record is completed. Second record. Okay. Second record is completed. Third record. So 3 records is completed. Now if you go to session overview, you can see what has been done. Double click here. Right, you can see here 3 transactions read means 3 records are read. You can see log created. What log has been created here? Right, 3 materials has been created. And you can see what skins has been involved here. Log created. So you can see this materials. Where you can see these materials? After creating the materials, where you can see that whether data is created or not. After data is transferred, where you can see the data is being transferred into the system. Hello.
Sir,
What I'm asking is, after creating the materials, where you see this data, because now what we did, we created a new materials through the BDC concept. This is the log, where you can see that materials information after created materials in which tables or which transaction code you see for seeing the materials information. Either MM03 or MM02 or Mara table.
Mara tables.
You
Yes,
can see
yes.
anywhere. Or you can check it MM03 also. Take this material number. Go to MM03. /o MM03. Give the material number. Press enter. Go to here. This is what the material data has come here. Same you can check it in Mara table also. Go to C11. Mara table. Click on display. Go to the contents. Copy paste the material number. You can see here. This is it. Okay. Any questions here? Okay. So next one is call transaction method. How to do that call transaction method? Go to the program. Back. Now choose the call transaction here. Back. Execute. Go to variant. Call transaction now. Click on execute. No skin mode. N means no skin mode. It will be update locally into the tables. L means a username. Execute now. Data will update this flow directly from program through this concept. No session concept here now. Data will go directly. Execute. Right now, 3 records has been created. 134, 135, 136. You can check it here. Go to tables, right? Go to here, 134, and you can go to here, 134, 135, 136. Execute here. Execute. This is the data. Now transfer to call transaction method. Okay. So main concept is if it is a session method, data transfer using 3 function models. One is BDC open group. Second one is BDC insert. Third one is BDC close group. Okay. This will create a session. What this will do, this will create a session. This will insert the data into the session. Data will be inserted into the session. This will close the session. This is the backend function models that will execute. Okay. In the call transaction, no? In the call transaction. Call transaction statement will transfer the data directly. Okay, you can see that here. So go to this program. Right. See the data uploading, this part. This is data uploading into program internal table from this This is creating the this is standard function module subroutine. No? Here is going to create a session here. So this is a function module to create the session. Open the session. This is data inserting here. Here, data insert into the session. Save it, check syntax. Activate. Okay, you can see here the code. Function model BDC insert. This will insert the data into the session. Next, this one is to close the session what we created. Close the session. This is the to close session. Any questions here? Hello? Any questions?
No, sir.
So this BDC is absolute, we don't use because the BDC drawback is BDC works on screen flow. BDC works on screen flow. And it has the drawback of if in the new SAP version, if there is any change in the screen order flow, BDC will not work. BDC program will not work. Again, we have to modify the program. Hence, we don't use BDC now. We will use only BAPI. Okay. Let's what is the BAPI? BAPI is business application programming. Business application programming interface. Business application programming interface. This is RFC enabled function module here. This is RFC enabled function module. This is mainly two purposes. One is data extraction. one purpose. You can extract the data. Second one is data extraction. Data extraction means we can extract from here JSP database tables. You can extract the data. Another purpose is data insert. Data insert into SAP database table. This is SAP database tables. This is the flow. Okay. You can see all the BAPIs in the transaction code BAPI. Go to here. Transaction code BAPI. You can see here BAPIs all module wise. And if I go to here, go to logistics, for example. Okay. You can go to here, materials management, purchasing. You can see all the BAPIs. Purchase equation. Okay. So instead of GUI, so this can be created purchase orders, sales orders through the BAPI. This is the BAPI. You can find out the BAPI name here. Here. This is the BAPI name. You double click here. Right? This is the BAPI. Check it here, the attributes. This must be remotely enabled here. So this is for changing the purchase order. Instead of ME23, and we can choose this one. Below BAPI is for changing the purchase order. SAP created. Below BAPI is for changing the purchase order. SAP created. This created this BAPI. Created this BAPI for instead of doing BDC, we can call the below BAPI to change the existing purchase order. Okay. Whatever we do using ME21N, 22N is possible doing this BAPI. This is the BAPI. Okay. right? You can get also details of the BAPI, not BAPI, details of purchase order here. Double click here, click on here, go to here, check the import. You can find out the documentation also here. Detailed information for a purchase order. The function model background and should display detailed information on a purchase order. Okay. If you see here, if you go to here, if you pass the purchase order information, it gives the data. Okay. So we can execute this one. Okay. Pass the purchase order number. In which tables purchase orders we can find out? Ask ChatGPT and tell me. You can ask ChatGPT also. Which tables contains the purchase orders? SAP.
EKKO, sir.
No, AKKO. Right, if you go to AKKO, take any one purchase order here. All right, take purchase order number. Take this number. So in which transaction code we can use the purchase order? MA23. Click on purchase order, other purchase order, copy paste this. This is a purchase order. This information you can get from the BAPI. Go to here. Right, copy paste this number. Execute now. See the data came here. This is a purchase order header. See the items here. This is the items. 7 items are there. You can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 7 items are there. 7 items you can see there. Okay, you can also call this in the web program also and display the data. How to call this? Write a new program here. Program. And this is your PO data of purchase order data. EKKO and EKPO tables. Okay, you can extract once you call the BAPI. This is the BAPI. BAPI will get the information from here to, it goes to your control. It brings the data back to here. BAPI will pass information back to the program. This is the flow. Then you can display the output. This is your output. Okay, this is the output. We'll write one program quickly. Click on create. Get the page auto details. Go to type, executable. Right now here, take one parameters p underscore apln type ekky from apln. Check syntax. Now, right, you can get the data. Select, not selected. You can call using the pattern BAPI. This BAPI is can go to here. Let's see 37 also we can search the BAPI. BAPI underscore PO. You can search here also. Right. So you see the get details. Right. You can get BAPI PO get detail. Okay, you can pause this one. You should pause here purchase order number P underscore EBLN here. And you can get the data PO header, for example. Right here, IT underscore EKK. You can try the new syntax. So you cannot declare the inline position here. So you should declare one internal table. Go to here, import, export, change labels. PO item here. Okay, you pause here. I will create one internal table. Data. IT underscore EKPO. Type table of. Okay. Then pass IT underscore EKPO. IT underscore EKPO. Under the table section, IT underscore EKPO. Save it. Check syntax. Right. Not required here. Check syntax. Activate. Now you can display the data. Low put IT underscore EKPO into data of carry underscore EKPO. Where statement carry underscore EKPO hyphen EPLN carry underscore EKPO hyphen EPLP. Right. You can give 40 position here. Check syntax now. EBLP. Type here. What is this one? Not ABLP. You should give the PO item here. PO item. PO item. PO item. Next one. Okay. If you want to give the material number, you can give material number also. Material number, material. Check syntax. Activate. Execute no. Pass the PO number of this one. This PO number. Execute. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see 7 items here. First material number is 0, 1, 0, 1. Second one material number is 0, 2. Right here, this is the item number. This is the item number. 40 position. Material number. Check syntax. Activate. Execute no. Execute here. See now this is a material item number. This is a material number. Any doubt here? Hello? This is for data extraction. For data insert also, suppose you want to change the existing materials instead of MM02. For that you can go, okay, there is a backp for material change. How to search? Go to here. Let's see 37. If I go to backp material change, material, right? This one, for example. If you use this one, you can change the BAPI materials data instead of MM02 using here. You can find the documentation here. Create and change the materials master type. Okay. So suppose you want to refer the existing program, you can refer here. Put a breakpoint here, sorry, cursor here. Go to various list. You can find out the existing reference programs also, where you are using it. Okay. So I'll show you one program. Next, let's here. So using this BAPI, I'm changing the material here. Here, using this BAPI. What I'm going to change is I'm going to change the material number, units of measure. For example, so this material number, I will check it first in MM03. Press enter.
Sir, your screen is not visible, sir.
Not visible. Huh?
Yeah.
Now it is visible, right?
Yes.
So what I was trying is I was trying to change some material through the BAPI. Okay. Suppose I'll take one material here. Okay, if this material, let's see what is the units of measure. Go to Go to here. Say 38. Right. Go to here. Click on execute. See the variant. This material number. Let's check it is available or not. Take this material number. Go to Mora table. Click on display. Contents. Copy paste. Execute is available. So what is that units of measure? I'll go to MM03. Copy the material number. We go to here. What is the base unit of measure here? You can see in the screen. What you can see the base units of measure.
Bag, sir.
Bag. Instead of bag, I'll change it to kg through the BAPI. Okay. Here, right? I will make it as a kg here. Instead of bag, I'll make it kg here. Okay, let's see now. Execute. Take the material number. Click on execute. Right? Okay. Now, can you check it? This material is saved or not? Changed or not to kg? Where do you see my skin, right? So material is changed. Let's say go here, back. This is the material again back. MM03. Press enter. Basic data one. You see that it became KZ or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You see the our code. So I'll expand debug mode. I'll make it again from KZ to bag. Go to here. Instead of KZ, I can make it back here. Activate this. Put a breakpoint here. Execute. Give the same material number. Click on execute. Right. Now what if this one is? To call this BAPI, you are passing the information of the material. BAPI material save data. Copy this BAPI. Go to SC37. See the BAPI. Go to import parameters. Right, see here. This is mandatory here. This BAPI header data here. This header data is having the material number. This material number. That material number we are passing here. Here. Material number. Okay. W underscore head data material. This only one is enough. Two I written here. Then you are changing the units of measure equal to kg here. Base units of measure. Right to bag now. Okay. And because you are updating the units of measure, you should pass this for X. Base client data X here. Client data X. Right. If you go back, client data X. Here you should pass the value which you are going to update here. Right. Base unit of measure update. If you pass X, it will update. Right. Material group value you are passing same as it is 0, 1. You want to change the material group also, you can change this one. Now this will change the material information. This is the flow. Flow is this is the program. So you are going to change BAPI underscore material underscore change. You are calling this BAPI. This BAPI will change the data. It will not go to MM02, similar functionality. This will go and change the data in Mora tables directly. This is the flow. This is standard code completely internally. F6 it has been changed now. SY sub or equal to 0. Success. Then transaction commit. Otherwise, database will not update. Execute. Change. You can go and check it. Even you can check it in Mora table also. Right? What is the material number? This one. Go to this material number, check it in Mora table also. SC11 Mora. Copy this number, execute. Double click here. Check it, change it to back. Okay, this is the concept. I will stop.